Okay, so today it's snowing on it's snowing on my house today, so I decided to make waffles before I went out and played in the snow. So if you want the recipe, it's on my mom's website. I don't know what the website's called.
Cookwiththeresa.com.
Okay, cookwiththeresa.com. I totally did not just hear that from the person holding the camera. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna pour
So
this.
the first thing we have, these are all ingredients they probably have in their kitchen already, right?
Yeah.
So we have in the dry ingredients, we have flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, super simple. And then the wet ingredients, we have milk, eggs, vanilla extract, and
I forgot.
what's in the mini cake mold?
Butter.
Yes.
Mini cake mold. Perfect for melting butter and especially chocolate. It's better for doing chocolate.
Isn't that cool? So pour that melted butter in there and whisk that up. This mini cake mold is awesome, you guys, because as you can see, easily handled by little hands or big hands. It doesn't get hot in the microwave when your butter's melting, and it really melts the butter perfectly. So Roman's gonna whisk up those liquid ingredients, and then we're gonna add those to the dry ingredients and get our waffle batter made.
Okay, so I'm just finishing laying out this last waffle, which is going to taste really good. And after I finish this, we're gonna put them in the oven over there for 18 to 20 minutes at
400 degrees.
400 degrees. And then I'm going to eat the waffle. But
Okay.
it's also gonna taste really delicious, and this is an awesome tray.
Yeah, this waffle tray, there's 8 on each tray, and this recipe makes 2 trays. So how many waffles?
Wait, 2 trays?
2 trays of 8.
16.
16. Okay.
16.
So you can see how Roman's got them filled there. You want to see some of the black Flexipat still coming through when you fill them to get the perfectly thick waffles that aren't too thick but aren't too thin. So, all right, let's cook these up, see what we get. How's that sound, Roman?
Yep, I love it. Okay, so the waffles just came out of the oven. And also, look how easily they come out.
Oh my God.
Bam. And look at all that. It's so nice and brown.
That's beautiful.
Sorry, the person who's going to eat those waffles. Okay, so now I'm going to go get my energy from my waffle and go play in the snow. But next up, blueberry waffles.